Hello everyone! Yesterday we learnt what a verb is. Remember what a verb is? A verb is a doing word or an action word like run, like drink, like hide. Today we are going to learn and get my face out of the way. Today we are going to learn what a noun is. We're learning what a noun is. So I say, you say. Noun. Noun. I wonder if you know what a noun is. A noun is a person, an object or animal, or a place. So a noun could be a person like Miss Leung. It could be a person like Mummy or Daddy or Nana or a banker or someone who works in the supermarket. It could be an object like a pencil, a football, an apple. It could be an animal like a bird or an ant or a whale. And a noun can also be a place like school or church or a house. So we say a noun is a pop word. The P is for person, the O is for object or animal, and the other P is for place. So a pop word. For the next bit of the lesson, you are going to do some actions when I say a word, because I want you to think about whether or not the word is a person, an object or animal, or a place. So if I say a word and it is a person word, I want you to point to yourself like this. So person word. If I say a word and it is an object or an animal word, you're going to make a big O with your hands like this. If I say a word and it is a place, you are going to make a house with your hands like this. So person, object or animal, place. So this is a police officer. Is this police officer a person, object or animal, or a place? What do you think? So do the action. Which one do you think it is? It is a person. Next one, a football. Person, object or animal, or place. It is an object or animal because it is a thing. School. Is a school a person, object or animal, or a place? It is a place. How about a teacher? Is a teacher a person, object or animal, or a place? It is a person. A desert. Is a desert a person, object or animal, or a place? It is a place. How about an apple? Is an apple a person, object or animal, or a place? It is an object or animal. How about this penguin? Person, object or animal, or place? It is object or animal. This is a playground. We're not looking at the children, we're looking at the area. Is the playground a person, object or animal, or place? It is a place. Oh, that wasn't the last one. This is the last one. A tiger. Is a tiger a person, object or animal, or a place? It is object or animal. A singer. Person, object or animal, or a place? It is a person. So now that we know what nouns are and what verbs are, you are going to sort some words out. For this part of the lesson, you are going to need some paper, a pencil, a pair of scissors, and either green and blue pens or green and blue coloring pencils. With the paper, you are going to have to make 16 strips of paper. So I've already made mine in advance. They don't all have to be the same size. I just did mine that way. So you need to get your piece of paper, and cut your piece of paper up into 16 pieces. Once you have finished cutting them into 16 pieces, then play the video again so I can explain the next part of the task. On each piece of paper, you are going to copy a word that I'm going to write on the piece of paper, and then you're going to put it aside because you'll be using the words on the paper to sort them out. So the first word you are going to copy. The first word is chair. I'm going to write it quite big. Okay, chair. Then I'm going to put that aside because I'm finished. Get another strip of paper. The next word is bus. Put that aside. Next word, pool, like a swimming pool. Next word, park. P-R-K. Next word, book. Next word, milk. Next word, pizza. Next word, nurse. A nurse. So now we've got 8 words on these strips of paper. I'm going to put them aside. Then we need to write out another 8 words. Swim. Sit. Ride. Play. Read. Drink. Eat. And last word, help. Okay, so now we have written 16 words onto our strips of paper. I'm going to put them all together. Okay, put them together. And then I'm going to give them a bit of a shuffle. Okay, Okay, I'm going to shuffle them up, and then I'll show you what you're going to do with your strips of paper. Give them a shuffle, give them a shuffle. Okay. You are going to choose a word. You're going to read it, and you're going to decide, is this a noun? So is it a pop word, or is it a verb? Is it a doing word? So the word pizza. Is pizza a person, object or animal, or place? It is an object or animal. It's a noun, so I'm going to put it on this side. Next word, book. Is book a noun or a verb? Is it a pop word, or is it a doing word? It is an object, so it is a noun, so it's going to go on this side. Next word, play. Is play a pop word? Is it a noun, or is it a verb? Is it a doing word? It is a doing word, so play is going to go on this side. We'll do one more. Drink. Is drink, like gluck, 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 is that a noun, or is it a verb? This one's a little bit of a tricky one. It is a verb because it's I am drinking some water. It is a doing word. So I'm not going to do all of them, but this is what you're going to do. You're going to choose your words, and you're going to decide, is it a noun or is it a verb? Once you have all of your words sorted, that is when you get out your coloring pens or your coloring pencils, and you're going to put the correct color dot next to each word, because verbs are going to be green and nouns are going to be blue. So these are all of my nouns. So I'm going to get my blue color, and I'm going to put, I don't want to get on my table. I'm going to get my blue color, and I'm just going to do a blue dot next to my word. Book is also a noun, so I'm going to put a blue dot next to it. Now the word play, that is a verb. It's a doing word, so I'm going to put a green dot next to it. And the word drink is also a verb, so I'm going to put a green dot next to it. So you will put the correct color dot next to your verbs and your nouns.